Welcome, I'm John from MRIaudio, and today I'm going to quickly walk you through how to use our incredibly easy audio and video system. To begin, let's power on the tablet, amplifier, and video projector. For the tablet, just push the power button on the top, swipe up, and log in. The amplifier has a power button on the front right side of the amplifier. Push in and depress the button, and the button will remain flush with the front of the amplifier. To power on the projector, there are two ways to do it. First is using the remote control and the power button on the top here. And the second is there's a button underneath the projector inside the scan room, and you can go ahead and push that button to power on the projector. On the projector, you'll notice that there are indicator lights both on the power button and on the front of the projector. Those lights are illuminated when the projector is off, they glow red, and when the projector is on, they are off. When your patient arrives, ask them what they'd like to watch to help relax them and calm them down in preparation for their scan. With the tablet, you can use any form of entertainment, applications such as Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, YouTube Video, and Amazon Prime. When your patient is ready for their scan, go ahead and place the headphones on the patient and adjust them comfortably. Then you can place the mirror system over the patient's head so that once inside the bore, they can adjust the mirror to view the projection screen. The mirror is self-standing and is easy to adjust once the patient is in position inside the bore of connect. The mirror does not have any table connections, so making your job much easier and quicker. Doesn't require any adjustments on the table. You just go ahead and set it down and you're ready to go. Before the scan begins, start the video and make it full screen for the patient. This will mirror on the projection unit for your patient. Once you have started playing the video, go ahead and use the technologist microphone and ask if the volume is okay for the patient. If the patient responds, please adjust the volume, you can go ahead and use the amplifier to do so. Once everything is good, you can begin the scan. To check on your patient, you can use their Bose speakers to make sure that there's still audio playing, and use the tablet to watch what the patient is viewing on the projector. While using the microphone, anything playing through the audio system will duck, allowing for a better communication process, allowing you to focus on the spoken voice that you're doing through the microphone and minimizing the volume of the audio playing through the headset. If the patient is having problems hearing you, you can go ahead and adjust the patient's volume for the microphone using the microphone knob on the amplifier. This will allow the patient's volume to increase or decrease based on their preference. When using the audio and video systems, you may find that you don't have to adjust the audio too much in between patients, but it is a nice thing to have just in case any particular patient would like the audio louder or quieter based on their preference. Feel free to leave the audio and video system on throughout the day, as there's no need to power down the projector unit or the audio system in between patients. This will allow for a much easier patient changeover rate, as well as not require the projector to warm up to start playing video. Setting up for each patient is super easy. First, place the headphones on the patient's head, then place a mirror on the table over their head, and then start playing the content once you're back at your desk. It's simple as that. This simple process is not only efficient, but it also aids greatly in patient comfort, allowing for more optimal scans and reduced scan time. When your day is finished, you can go ahead and power the system down by first turning off the tablet, then the amplifier, and then using either the remote control or power button located on the projector to turn off the projector last. Thanks for watching this video. At MRIaudio, we're here to simplify your life and ensure your patient satisfaction. Our top-notch products and exceptional customer service will guarantee that your patients leave happier and more relaxed during their scan. Thank you for choosing MRIaudio.